Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. Well, Denny is here to pick up his beautiful 1929 L5. We had something else come in. Have a look at this. This guitar almost makes that L5 look like a spring chicken. This is 1834 C. Bruno, Charles Bruno, the only partner that C.F. Martin ever had. That bridge needs to come off. We need to fill it in, reslot it for perfect intonation. And as always, we'll give you a play-by-play as we move along with this one. Fill that in now with our insert. Beautiful. We'll be ready to reslot that bridge by the end of the day. They were going to bring you in real close once again. So the neck came off nice and clean. This is really more like a violin neck joint than a guitar neck joint. We're going from zero here. We take nothing off on this side and then gradually taper it down. Okay, the face of that heel has all been shaped and tapered. Mike is a long-time customer, eclectic collector. The steel string guitars were kind of a new animal back then. We reslotted that bridge because this guitar would never play in tune with steel strings. So any chord, anywhere on this guitar. It's perfectly in tune. Original machine heads. They are smooth as silk to turn. It's so wonderful that this instrument is back up and running. There's a look at the rosette. There's our neck to body joint. And this is the rosewood back. So this is not Bruno and Son, this is Bruno. This is Charles Bruno. So this is the father, the guy that was briefly a partner with C.F. Martin.